Fresh water is a precious natural resource. Unfortunately, pressure on global water supplies is increasing due to the demands of new housing developments, increasing consumption and climate change, causing concern to environmentalists, governments and concerned individuals alike. Yet every day, 1/3 of household drinking water is needlessly flushed down toilets. Now there is an alternative. Welcome to Ecoplay. Ecoplay is an innovative micro-water management system that recycles bath and shower water for use in flushing toilets, reducing water consumption in the average household by as much as 30%. The Ecoplay system collects the water draining from the bath and shower as it makes its way out of the house. It retains the water for a short while and diverts it for use in flushing the toilets. How long the water is retained depends upon the pattern of use within the household. This will obviously vary considerably depending upon the number of occupants, their working patterns, family and friend visiting arrangements and other factors. The intelligent system cleverly learns the cycle of use in the household and monitors the age of the water within the system. For example, if the toilets are not flushed within 24 hours after a period of regular use, let's say the family goes on holiday, the system detects this and purges the retained recycled water to waste. This also serves to clean the system. Once empty, the system then imports a minimum of mains drinking water sufficient to operate the toilets. This leaves mains drinking water within the system whilst the family is away. Upon their return, the system returns to normal after the first bath or shower, thereby maximising water-saving efficiency. Let us now have a closer look at the system to see how Ecoplay manages to save so much water. The Ecoplay system consists of 2 modular frames and is designed as a concealed behind-the-wall system. The upper frame contains the cleaning tank, the storage tank and the control unit. The lower frame houses the flushing cistern, the pump and the adjustable mounting plate to support the toilet. It will of course take any type of back-to-wall or wall-hung toilet, including pedestal varieties. You can see that wastewater from the bath, or in this case the shower, is being gravity-fed into the Ecoplay system. As you watch, the water is pouring into the cleaning tank. What's happening here is that the water in the cleaning tank is rising. As it continues to rise, it takes with it the soap suds, hair, etc., which naturally float to the top, where it's skimmed off, not unlike the operation and cleaning cycle of a swimming pool. This water is running away to waste. Heavier deposits, sand, grit, etc., fall to the bottom and are flushed away during the occasional purging process I referred to earlier. At this point, the control unit is receiving an electrical impulse, generated by the wastewater running through a sensor. This impulse provides the signal that opens an air valve, allowing the cleaned water to enter the storage tank. This water is now the water we're going to use for flushing toilets. We've been able to make use of gravity here, where the Ecoplay unit and secondary toilet are on the same level. A low-energy pump would collect and transport the bath or shower water to the head of the unit. The storage tank, combined with the cleaning tank, have a total capacity of 100 litres, sufficient for approximately 20 flushes of the toilet. The system continues to operate. In other words, it will continue to collect water and flush toilets throughout the day in response to demand. If it should run out of grey water, let's say during a party, then the system tops up to the minimum level with mains drinking water. On the other hand, if the capacity of the Ecoplay unit is full, then excess water from the bath or shower is automatically diverted to waste. The Ecoplay system can service 2 toilets and operate in both single and duplex floor arrangements. The Ecoplay unit itself is ideally located within the downstairs toilet or cloakroom. The second toilet, which can be located on the same or higher floor, receives its supply of recycled water from a low-energy pump located within the main Ecoplay unit. Safety is a major feature of the Ecoplay system. First of all, it's an enclosed system that meets all the Water Authority guidelines. The use of grey water has historically been controversial because of the possibility of accidentally accessing grey water, believing it to be drinking water. This is not possible with Ecoplay. For example, the water pipe that the Ecoplay pump uses to transport water to the second toilet carries an electrical resistance monitored by the control unit. Any attempt to tamper with or break into this pipe affects the known resistance and signals a danger to the control unit, and the control unit responds by isolating the system. Secondly, to comply with water regulations, the system incorporates a double air gap to ensure there is no possibility of the grey water contaminating the mains drinking water. There are 6 models in the Ecoplay product range, all of which are competitively priced, easy to install due to their modular construction, and above all, safe to use. Ecoplay can be used in houses, bungalows, apartments, flats and hotels. Another benefit of using Ecoplay is the issue of the Code for Sustainable Homes, which was introduced in April 2007 to guarantee environmental savings in energy and water in new housing. For example, with the help of Ecoplay, a home currently at level 1 or 2, using approximately 120 litres per person per day, can be elevated to levels 3, 4, 5 and 6. To summarise, Ecoplay reduces water consumption by up to 30%. It takes up little space and is easy to install. It uses minimal energy, requires no maintenance, uses no filters or chemicals, and it requires no input from the householder. We hope you agree that Ecoplay can make a significant contribution in reducing the world's water consumption and help to conserve this most precious resource.